Hi and welcome to Berdine's Jewelry. My name is Kevin and today we have an opportunity to take a first look at the new Panerai Submersible GMT Navy SEALs. As always, the watch in this video is available here at Berdine's Jewelry. This new submersible, reference PAM01323, is the beginning of a long-term partnership between Panerai and the Navy SEALs, as Panerai is looking towards the future with the brand's vision. The 1323 is the newest addition to the ever-growing line of 44mm submersibles, and features the same stainless steel case as the 1226 and 1229. What the 1323 has that the others don't is the addition of a Gmt Complication. Panerai chose a striking yellow-orange tone for the GMT hand to contrast heavily against the stealthy gray dial. The gray dial starts graduating towards black as it reaches the edge, which is where we'll find the yellow-orange date and sectored subdial. Panerai has done a nice job of adding little touches to make the yellow-orange color cohesive throughout the piece and not look out of place. Turning the piece around, we see the caseback adorned with the seal trident, an eagle sat upon an anchor and trident that represents the highly trained divisions of the US Navy's Special Warfare Command. Here we also see the 300-meter water resistance we've all come to expect from the submersible family as well. Moving beyond the looks, the GMT really helps fill out the submersible line. Up until now, the only complication found in the last generation of submersibles has been the chronograph, and the $19,000 plus price point was a large leap from the $9,000 to $10,000 price point of the rest of the family. The GMT provides a very usable feature and still keeps the clean case shape without any added pushers. When you think about it, a GMT function would be exactly what a Navy SEALs dive team would want. Coming in at $10,100, the submersible GMT Navy SEALs is limited to just 500 pieces, but it isn't the only piece in the line. Similar to last year's widely popular Comsubin Marina Militaire piece, the Navy SEALs are also getting a Carbotech GMT, and rounding out the 3-piece family is a Countdown chronograph in DLC titanium, which is limited to just 20 pieces. Like other highly limited pieces of the past few years, the Countdown chronograph will also come with an experience unlike any other. Panerai's partnership with the Navy SEALs continues to show the brand's commitment to producing exceptional and innovative products that meet the demands of some of the boldest and bravest. As Panerai continues to look forward and build a new modern path, they've made sure not to forget the DNA of military instruments. While some purists may not like the vision that Panerai has created for the future, the ability to innovate with new materials, complications, and initiatives has allowed the brand to not be stuck in World War II. For more information about the Panerai Submersible GMT Navy SEALs, or any of our other new Panerais in inventory, follow the link in the description and get subscribed to stay in the know on what's new in the watch world.